All right, when we are. Almost.
And it's just like I thought. Throw some little bit of ether down there.
All right.
Not much, just a little squirt.
Yeah, we'll get it. All right, go for it. Hey, yeah, buddy. This thing is so cool.
It hasn't been started. This is the first time I started it today.
Yeah, probably since last time we spoke, right?
Huh?
Probably since last time we spoke, right?
Well, I didn't start it last time.
Oh yeah, no, you didn't. I forgot about that. That's awesome.
Probably needs to be adjusted on the idle.
Either way, that's awesome. So this thing should run and drive right now, right?
Yeah, it'll pull right out of here.
I don't know how to undo the door.
All I do is grab it.
Gotcha.
Open it.
Oh man. The pedal situation in this thing is insane. Like,
It's tight.
it's a typical, like, look at that. It's so funny. Oh man, this is so cool. Wow, that's so cool.
It's got a big, I think it's got a big 45 horses.
Oh yeah, I think they were like, yeah, definitely somewhere around the 50 mark.
Right.
Oh,
Boom.
wow. That's so cool. Man. Alright, how do I get out of here? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do a little like video thing real quick for my YouTube. Alright. So what's up, guys? This is RW146 here. As I was saying earlier in the week, I was gonna pick up another project car, and I'm here because the person I'm getting it from, which is actually like my dad's best friend back in the day when they used to race. This is his Challenger, which is an incredible car. But I've known about this car for quite some time, and the timing was finally right, so I figured, you know, I'd see if he still had it and come pick it up. But this is a 1972 Fiat 850 Spider. It's a little rear engine 4-cylinder, and this is what I'm picking up for my next project car. So I will give you guys some updates on this thing as soon as I get, you know, the title transfer to get it home and everything. But in addition to that, the craziest thing about this, so this car actually was fully restored. Just about. It just needed to be put back together. There's a little bit of body damage on the passenger side that happened after the paint was done and everything. But other than that, it's borderline perfect. There's also the factory hardtop, all the original chrome, some extra body panels, and then if you come out here, still got the parts car, right? Yeah. Let's go check this out. 240's chilling. All right. I believe. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go take a look at the parts car real quick. Yeah, hiding back over here is actually another complete 850 Spider parts car. Now this one has a little bit more rust if I remember correctly, but it's been tarped off. And even this one, once I get it, you know, figured out where I'm going to take it and all that, I'll give you guys an update on this, but this one's even nicer than most of the Fiats that I've seen. So this is going to be a really fun project. It's a little 70s Italian sports car, bright yellow, little rear engine 4-cylinder manual transmission, and I'm super excited about this. So I should be bringing this home over the weekend, and once I do, I will definitely give you guys some more updates on that. So for now, I'm just so excited about this. Like I'm just geeking. I don't even know what to say, but that's about it for today, guys. Gonna go back in here and take another look at it real quick. And there she is. So there'll definitely be plenty of updates coming for this car. I actually do have a buddy who said that his dad has a SCCA certified race car version of this car as a parts car that's just sitting in his backyard. So I might be able to scrounge for some parts off of that. And if I do, I will definitely be posting some updates. But for updates on this car, as soon as I get it home, I'm going to start wrenching on it, try to get it back together. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will certainly keep you posted. All right.